Center Lake Dam Repair Project is a FEMA federally funded project to restoration back from Hurricane Florence and Hurricane Matthew.
Go over there because he said there was something about an 8-inch tree.
Anything 8-inch diameter and over is supposed to get taken down. Yeah, behind us is a emergency spillway. This is a secondary riser that's going to get demolished out, and a new spillway, emergency spillway, is getting put in at this location. We're standing on a berm, an earth embankment about 6,200 feet long, and the berm is going to get raised by 2 feet and get widened by about 2 feet at its toe of slope, with an articulated concrete block on the upstream side. Here is the secondary spillway, concrete spillway. This is the overflow. Once everything goes past the secondary riser, once it gets here, it runs out to this creek, and then of course it goes parallel, feeds back to the river. This is old existing concrete spillway that's going to get repaired and filled with grout, and also some clearing is going to be done on the opposite side on Mr. Dees' property for erosion control purposes. The old elevations that were built up for the golf course are getting dug down, and that's where we're getting our fill dirt, or they're called borrow pits, where we're getting our fill dirt to actually raise the dam in elevation by 2 feet. That's where we're getting all the dirt is locally sourced here on the property from those two mounds from the old existing golf course.
This is all the trees. I've got them all down. We just ain't got them pulled up. I've got burnt. We've got everything burnt to the transformers.
Once they've completed, of course, the lake side will fill back up, and it will prevent flooding from this side down to the Lumbee River towards Harper's Ferry. It won't have a problem of overflowing anymore and running downstream towards those homes and people.